Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I am completely obsessed with velvet, and I have found a velvet jacket that I am totally in love with. This is by Futurino, and it is such a lovely, elegant jacket while also being extremely comfortable. That's what I think I love most about this. So it's a cardigan style open jacket. It does have two buttons and it has two very real pockets, which I love as an added detail. But this jacket is made from an incredibly stretchy material and it's not as stiff as a typical blazer. So I find that it is incredibly comfortable. The fabric kind of flows with you. It lays really nice when you wear it. You're free to move. You're not restricted like I can sometimes feel in a traditional blazer or jacket. I got it here in the dark green color and a size medium. I am normally a size medium when it comes to a jacket like this, so I would say it fits very true to size. And this jacket is just a way to instantly dress up any outfit, from jeans and a t-shirt to a skirt and a cute top to my favorite, which is wearing it with leather pants and boots. It is just an instant conversation piece. When I wear it, I get so many compliments. It is so cute. And on top of that, and maybe most important, it is so, so comfortable. If you are looking for a gorgeous velvet jacket where you can also feel super, super comfortable, like you're in your own skin, I highly recommend checking out this jacket. I think that you are gonna fall in love with it like I did, but that's just my point of view.